y'all, we are back in the kitchen. The workout was pretty good. Only did 3 sets because that's what I can tolerate right now, so that's what we're gonna stick with. So yeah, the workout was good, and now I'm going to do some meal prep for the next couple days out of the week. I have some chicken. I have some cilantro that I'm growing in my little plant area that I'm going to cut off and like add into the food. So I think while the chicken is just like kind of getting cleaned, I'm going to put some vinegar in it and stuff. I'm going to clean up a little bit more. Chicken, garlic. Here it is. I went away for a couple days, so it's kind of wilting, but we'll use the good pieces. Sorry y'all, my phone did die, but my camera died, but I ended up seasoning my chicken. I'll show y'all the montage that I posted on my Instagram story because I recorded it for my fitness page, but this is how it's looking. We cut up some cilantro, adobo, sazon, left a little bit of water in there so we'll have like some juices or whatever, and we're just gonna let it marinate, and then I'm gonna cut it into a little bit of pieces and then allow it to bake in the oven. The oven is disastrous because, like I said, my pizza melted the other day, so it's disastrous. So be prepared. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Alright. Since it's a degreaser, I'm not completely sure, but
Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama,
Hello. The day I fall out of this is gonna be funny as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie. I fell out of it before, but now that I like be real comfortable in here and it falls, hilarious. So as you can see, I got my chicken nuggets. It is like an entire 3 or 4 days since I started recording the last video, or like the parts that y'all just seen, but that's simply because I got tired, I fell asleep, and then life took over. But we're back now, and so the food was done and it came out really good, by the way, at least to me. I can show you all a few clips because I did record it for my YouTube channel, or for my Instagram. I think I did. I still have that food, but I decided to eat chicken nuggets because I felt like it. I got off of work like an hour ago. So after this, I kind of just want to shower, maybe even just take a bath and kind of just relax. Or while I'm eating, I'm probably just going to watch some YouTube videos. I just finished my homework. I just had some type of computer literacy thing. I don't know how, but I'm failing that class like miserably. So there's that. I'm going to take a bath, clean my bathroom a little bit because it's kind of atrocious. Because you know how it gets throughout the week. And then we can just chill. I got off early, so I have more time to like spend for myself. So a bath would be really nice, and just reading a book, taking care of myself, you know the vibes. So yeah. As I'm getting ready for the bath, I'm just gonna make sure my face is clean. So, because when I'm out the bath, I'm real relaxed. So, to my face wash. Brush my teeth, and the bath should be filled by then. So much for watching this video. I'm going to be slumped after this, I already know, so I just decided to close the video out now. I want to appreciate you for watching this video and supporting me on my channel in general. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.